What up, YouTube? Got me a new wheel, about to install it. I probably won't record the installation just because a lot of people do it, so you can just look it up. But I'll show you the aftermath for it. But I haven't showed you the car in a minute. 10mm spacers on the front, 12 in the back. I just changed that because my old spacers messed up. She looking good. Yes, sir. And she already on the ground. Look at this. Taking out the old wheel. About to put in the new. I ain't really show y'all. Let me turn this Alcantara all the way around. Carbon paddles. M steering wheel right there. But just something simple and clean for this. I did have the regular M1, but it was alright. I'm about to put on, get back to you. She looked good in the car, I ain't gonna lie. Quick, easy install. My first Alcantara steering wheel. It feel good too. Some slight. Makes the interior so much better in this boy. Let me take this off. Ooh. Yes, sir. That view just coming into the car. Seeing it. Ooh, look at that. Don't mind the rest. It's a little dirty right now, but it's winter. I gotta get it detailed. Ooh, she look good though. Yeah. Alright, I just showed y'all. Just got a new steering wheel. I got this. It's for your vents. Can't see it much, but when I was changing my radio, I cracked like the vent part right here. Hold on, let me show you. This part is like broken. So I just got a new one. And then I got this for the door handle. Because, you know, if you know BMWs, especially the older ones, they start melting on these. And the rest of mine are not too bad. My driver's side probably needs change the closest, but there's the back door passenger one is terrible. It's super sticky, and I got a replacement for it. And this material, it looks exactly the same, but this material do not melt like BMWs. So I'm gonna change that probably when it gets a little closer to summer, but I'm changing that vent thing now. But this, I have to take the door whole thing off or whatever, so I'm just gonna wait on that, and I'm about to do that real quick. I'll go outside and show y'all that. Then after I'm done with that, maybe go for a POV drive or something and park somewhere and let you guys know what's been going on, because I haven't been making videos recently. I've been wanting to, but I've been running into a lot of problems with my car. I'm gonna let you know. I did two things was my fault while I was already going through the problems. I stripped my oil pan, so I got the oil pan kit coming to fix that. I left my keys in the washer, so I had to order more keys. This ain't working right.
This is why you're stupid.
There's a problem where my car was idling real bad, and I couldn't figure it out. I was replacing a whole bunch of sensors, checking for air leaks, everything. And all I needed was, I basically changed a new battery, got my key to work a little bit, enough where it was like using comfort access, and then retune the car, and everything start running smooth. So I think it was the battery, and my tail lights wired wrong, so I rewired those, and it helped out too. So there was just a whole bunch of little stuff. And also, I'll put up a little clip right now of a picture of my spacer. Bro, look, it took off my green part of the wheel, bro. My spacers, look, it's stuck in my wheel. You see the little line? What the I was about to switch them out because I seen one was cracked real bad, but it finished itself off, and I got bigger and better ones, but now I gotta do all this to get this one out. I don't know if you guys ever took this out, but how to take it out, you can clip on this side right here and pop it out. Usually you can use one of these, but I just did it with my hand at work, so I guess I'll just do it that way. And after I'm done, I'll get back to y'all. All right, this is what I was talking about. I just ripped these. They're all broke. Didn't mean to do that. See, and then my door handles are pretty good. They're starting to fade. They don't really have a door handle on this, but the worst one, I'll show y'all. This one, look at that. It's not like super bad yet like some people be having, but it's starting. So I just went and got a new one to replace this. But other than that, the car's starting to look good. Fixed everything, just what I just told you guys I need to fix, and the car should run good again. I can actually start making videos and stuff. I'm just scared to go crazy with the car with the oil pan messed up, because if I'm driving it one day and it's too low on oil, I ain't blowing it up. The heck no. Shoot, because my other car's down. This car down, look, the wheels are even flat. I've been worrying about this car so much. Than that, I'll lose money freaking letting this car just blow up. That car, I ain't losing nothing for real. It's still a car though, I still need to take care of it, but still, you know. But she look good, don't she? Sitting good. Get the angle of the low. That's how low she is. What you mean? And don't say my Fitbit don't look good. Don't be capping. I could probably lower the front a little more. Could probably put 12.5 in the back, and then in the front put 12, but not bad. But the front is pretty flush. Like I said, if I put 12.5, it'll probably be perfect where the lip poke out a little more. But if I do this with my fingers, it's pretty much lined up with the lip. I'm not gonna lie. It's just this angle, I don't like that. It's tucked in, you know what I'm saying? I like it where it's poking out. So I need to adjust the fitment just a little bit. She's a little dirty. She's in. Worked perfect. It took a little minute. Oh, I'm looking to the camera. I can do it up, down. Everything worked right. It's looking good. Just need a good detail now. And I fixed my screen where it's sitting right now, where it's not shaking. So 2 for 1. Real good.